Soalan 5. Okey murid-murid, soalan ini menunjukkan layang ABCD. Okey, diberi titik-titik BCD. Okey, garis AB selari dengan paksi Y. Okey, selari dengan paksi Y, and then garis AC, paksi simetri layang itu. Okey, AC is paksi simetri. Alright, so find the equation of straight line AC. Okay, we have to find the straight line AC. Bagaimana ni? Okay, ingat. If we have to find the straight line AC, ni cikgu labelkan dulu dia coordinates. Okay, this is the garisan AC. Okay, iaitu the axis symmetry of the kite. Okay, so untuk pengetahuan kamu, bila cikgu gariskan AC and BD, bererti di sini adalah perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular line. Alright, so macam mana ni? Kalau nak cari AC, we have to find the gradient AC and then one coordinate which passes through the AC. So coordinate passes through the AC, we can choose C, 5, 1. So we have to find gradient. So kita tak boleh cari gradient AC sebab Y tak ada nilai, but we can find the gradient BD sebab dia adalah perpendicular kan. Okay, cari gradient BD. Okay, this is our BD gradient 1/2. So how to find the AC? Okay, must using M1 times M2 -1. Okay, you have to show this equation. Okay, baru kita faham. 1/2 substitute in M1. Okay, M2 is gradient for AC. So we already get the gradient of AC -2. So we can replace -2 here. And then we can choose 5, 1. Okay, so from this information, okay, kita boleh cari equation of straight line by using Y equal mx plus C. Thus, okay, substitute the value. Alright, find the value of C. Make sure you show the working step how to find C. Macam cikgu tunjuk. Kita tunjuk dulu, kita kumpulkan nombor. And then C is 11. So, this is our equation of straight line AC. Thus, okay, so kita tengok soalan B. Okay, penjuru BD memotong garis AC pada titik P dengan keadaan AP PC is M/N. Find the ratio. Okay, cikgu suka lukis balik macam ni. Okay, this is C. So, kita nak cari ratio kan. Okay, so ratio, this is M and N. Okay, so anak panah. Okay, cikgu suka buat anak panah. So, we have to find the kita panggil ni coordinate A, and we have to find coordinate P. So baru kita boleh cari MN. So first cikgu nak cari coordinate A. Okay, coordinate A kita dah ada kan, gradient is -2. So we just substitute coordinate A and C in the formula gradient. Okay, so hati-hati, kita dapatlah the value of Y. So our Y is 7. So the coordinate A 2, 7. Alright, so how to find P? Okay, P apa macam ni? Okay, kalau kita lihat P is midpoint for the B and D. So, kita cari midpoint lah. Okay, by using coordinate B and D. Okay, show your working step how to find midpoint, divide by 2. Alright, this is our coordinate P. Alright, so from here we can substitute in the formula divisor of line segment. So cikgu suka buat macam ni. Okay, ingat the arrow is multiply. So n times 2, m times 5. Kita tambahlah n times 7 plus m times 1 macam tu. So bawah ni m plus n. Okay, kita ikutlah formula salin betul-betul. Okay, so we can compare by using term X or term Y to find the ratio. So I choose term X. Okay, to compare terms X, cikgu keluarkan. And then hilangkan pecahan, bring m plus n to the left hand side. Jadi kita multiply lah. Okay, so kita multiply. Okay, if we have to find the ratio m/n, that means we have to kumpul. Okay, kumpulkan. Okay, separate the mn, that means the m in your left hand side and your n right hand side. Like this. Simplify. And then kita cross macam ni. N pergi ke bawah, Actually, negative M, that mean our coefficient is negative 1, bring to the right hand side. So, kita akan dapat ni, simplify. Okay, negative 2 divided by negative 1, positive kan? So, we get the ratio of M is to N is 2 is to 1.